Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a Fansite photo style using PixVerse. This style is perfect if you want your photo to look like it was taken by a professional Fansite camera. It's sharp, clean, and idol level quality. It's no editing skills needed, so let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use it on the websites or the mobile app like this. Both work perfectly fine. And then next, just log in with your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you daily free credit, so you can try this without paying anything. And then after logging in, just go to template sections. This one. This is where all the ready to use AI styles are located. And from here, just look for the nano image like this. And then just choose Fansite Candid, this one. This style is designed to create high-quality fansite styles image with clear details and then better lighting and that professional look. And then next, just tap on use template and then just choose the photo that you want to transform. Make sure the face is clear for the best result like this, and when you're done, just tap on create. This one, it will take 30 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and go to image and wait for the process. And okay, like this, PixVerse will process your image into a fansite photo like this. Your normal photo is now a fansite style photo. You will notice sharper details, cleaner colors, and look that feels like it was taken by a real fansite photographer like this. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super easy, right? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.